Today we are going to discuss about some of the facts about sound from 8th standard NCERT textbook. What is sound? Sound is a type of energy which made by vibrations. What is sound or defined sound? A sound is defined as vibrations that travel through air or any other medium. That means a sound is defined as a vibration. These vibrations travel through any medium which produce sound. For example, air is a medium of sound. What is vibrations? A vibration is a repeated back and forth motion of a particle or to and fro motion of an object is called a vibration. For example, it is a wave. This wave can be travel like this. It is a front and back, front and back, front and back. Motion of an object or particle is called vibration. These vibration can made by sound. These vibrations travel through any medium like solid, liquid and gases. It will make sound. What is the use of sound? Why we can study about this sound? Sound plays an important role in our life. That means sound helps us to communicate with one another. I am speaking, audience are hearing. So it will help us to communicate with others. The most important use of sound is to communicate with one another. And how this sound can produced by a vibrating body. For example, this is a guitar. When I pluck this guitar, the guitar string vibrates. Due to this vibration, it makes sound. So sound is produced by a vibrating body. In cases, this vibration can be visible, but mostly vibrations are invisible. I am speaking, my vocal cord makes vibration and my sound travels through air and it will reach the audience of my YouTube. So, most of the time we cannot say the vibrations, but it can be feel. How is sound produced by humans? Humans how can produce these sounds? In humans, the sound is produced by the voice box or larynx. That means our voice box is situated in our throat. Voice box or vocal cords makes vibrations. These vibrations travels through air. We can able to make sound. These sounds are travel through a medium like solid, liquid and gas. Mostly sound travels through air. Vibrations reach our ear. We can able to hear that sound. So the question in NCERT is name the organ hearing in our body is ear. Then another one question, name that part of ear which vibrates when outside sound falls on it. The answer of this question is our eardrum vibrates when outside sound fall on it. We will hear the voice of that sound. We see what are the properties of sound. Amplitude and frequency are the two important properties of sound. So what is amplitude? Property of sound is amplitude. So what is amplitude? Amplitude is the maximum extent of a vibration which can be measured from the position of an equilibrium. That means this is a wave. It is a kind of wave. This wave goes up and down, up and down, up and down. Amount of energy transferred by a wave which can be measured. That measurement is called amplitude. So what is amplitude? Amplitude is the maximum extent of the vibration which can be measured from the position of equilibrium. Or amplitude is the measurement of amount of energy transferred by a wave. So what is frequency? The number of oscillations per second is called frequency. When I oscillate a pendulum means it is a pendulum. It will oscillate. We oscillate a pendulum. Oscillates like front and back. So number of oscillations per 1 second. This oscillation, this pendulum oscillates like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many number of times it oscillates in 1 second is called frequency. So what is frequency? The number of oscillations per second is called frequency. It is expressed in hertz and the symbol is Hz. That means the unit of frequency is hertz. Its symbol is Hz. For example, if an object oscillates 20 times per second, what is its frequency? Its frequency is 20 Hz because the number of oscillations per second is called frequency. So, the object oscillates 20 times per second. So, in 1 second, the object oscillates 20 times. So, the frequency of that object is 20 Hz. In this video session, we discuss about what is sound, how this sound was produced, and what are the mediums of sound and what are the properties of sound. Now, we are going to discuss some of the questions inside NCERT text. In which medium sound propagates in maximum? The sound propagates in maximum is solid. If we hit two solid substances forcefully, it makes more sound. So that the answer of that question is solid. Then name one animal which can hear ultrasonic sounds. The answer of that question is dogs. And name the sound producing organ in our body is ear. And name the unit used to measure loudness of sound is decibel. And thus any part of the body vibrates when we speak. Name that part. Yes, vocal cords vibrate when we speak. So friends, in this video session we discussed what is sound, how is this sound was produced, and what are the properties of sound and some of the questions inside this chapter. So friends, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.